What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the engine air filter in a 2011 Lincoln MKX. Like I said, it's a 2011 MKX in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And this Lincoln MKX has the 3.7 liter V6. So all we'll need to do this is our new engine air filter. I picked this one up off Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find this filter. The first thing we're going to do is remove the old engine air filter, and that's going to be in this compartment right here. And there's two clips on this side we need to pop off. Just pop off like that, and there's another one back here. Once we get those popped off, this whole unit's going to slide this way just a little bit, and then we can pick it up. You can see our old filter right here. Go ahead and get that out of there. Then we'll grab our new engine air filter. I'll slide in there like that. Make sure it's all the way pushed down. Then on this side, there's these three tabs that fit in these three notches right here. So that's kind of what we're going to line up first. And you just kind of need to work it in there and push down a little bit as you're sliding it in. So make sure that's all the way slid in there. And then we'll pop these two latches back on. And on this new filter, I noticed these popped on just a little bit harder. That top rubber piece is probably just slightly thicker, just so you know. But get those popped on, and that's it. Pretty simple, really. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.